And hi. The first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna go check out these sculptures over here. So we're gonna check out the sculptures, and then we're gonna give you guys a worksheet, and you guys are gonna brainstorm some like words and phrases that come to mind when you're hanging around the sculptures. So do you guys want to pass out the worksheets? Cool. So on these worksheets, there's just a couple of things for you guys to be thinking about. We'd like you to write down some words that you see, and then some. So you're gonna write down some things that you see, some things that you're feeling, and then more specifically, some alliteration and onomatopoeia and similes. So can you guys give me like a thumbs up if you know what alliteration is? Awesome. Nice. How about similes? Sweet. And onomatopoeia? Perfect.
Are they all putting their thumbs up? I can't see from there.
I think that they are.
Oh,
yes.
Okay.
Yeah, and if you have questions, there's examples on the worksheets too, and we're gonna be around with you guys. So just ask us if you're confused. So we'd like you to write at least 3 examples in each box. And we don't have that much time. We're actually kind of running a little bit late. So just try to get your words down. We have I think less than 10 minutes to do this section. So just try to get some words down, and then we'll go from there. We're gonna have to cross the street, so it's a pretty busy street. So if we how about if everyone follows Nicole, and then I'll stay in the back, just so we can stay together.
And then just really quickly, if you guys need to use the bathroom or anything like that, the teacher should be able to run you in and out. Okay, good. Also, to get your attention,
in case you guys
because
are
we're going to
talking.
be all over the place
Yeah.
today, and just to regroup back together and focus back, we're going to go clap, clap, and you guys' response should be snap, snap. And that means, you have to say snap, snap. So when we say clap, clap, you guys snap, snap. And
cool?
just regroup in a big, because we're going to be all over the place. So
Do you want to try it right now?
yeah, you guys want to try it? Okay. So we'll all say clap, clap.
Fantastic.
Okay.
Sweet.
Okay, follow me, guys.
You guys are spread out too. There's a bunch of them, and I mean they're pretty cool. So take some time to look around and just be thinking about the things that you're seeing, the literal things, and then maybe some more abstract things like.
Hey, if you wanna, should we?
Yeah, I'll do this.
Okay. It's on record.
Yeah. So, on a fist to 5, you guys know about this? You know nothing about it? 5, you know lots about it? Never heard of that. Never heard of it? So it's full of well, it's okay. So, do you want to just explain? Do you know it all? Okay. So basically, rhythm, there's 2 different kinds.
So can you see it here? What do you see? You came up with all these great words, but now look for rhythm. What kind of rhythms do you see? Okay, you have to say one thing that you see. One kind of rhythm that you see. Yeah, exactly. So what kind of patterns? You can act it out. Do it with your fingers.
Also, I didn't know that movements to the visual rhythm of sculpture. It's actually really cool. We did this yesterday with our class. That we do just their arms, we do just their bodies.
Get all into it.
Pretty cool, right? Yeah. So you want to try it? Do you want to make up your own rhythm? Yeah. It's really cool. So just think of it that way. So if you see in this sculpture, Would you see what kind of rhythm do you see in this? Yeah. Yeah, definitely. Yeah.
You guys almost done.
Let's see it. How are you gonna act it out? Let's see it. It's like we're diving. It's like, yeah, that could be a rhythm, like diving into water. You know? Okay, do you guys have all your words? Or some of them? Most of them?
All right. What were we? I'm missing some fingers. Fingers. Which is this. If you remember, 5. Yeah,
Okay, if you don't, we're here to tell you about it.
All right. So I'm your fist. If you have no idea what the word I just said means. Okay. All right. I see a range. Okay.
We haven't done our poetry unit yet.
That's okay.
Intro to it.
Yeah. So real quickly, it's a traditional Japanese poem, and it's very short. It doesn't have to rhyme, like a lot of poetry sometimes does, but it has a specific rhythm. So, the first line is going to have 5 syllables in it. Fist to 5, if you know what a syllable is. Knowing what a syllable is. Do we need to explain that? Got it? Got it. Okay, so it's a part of a word. So there's 5 in the first line, 7 in the second line, and 5 in the third line. They're usually inspired by nature, but they can be anything. Ours are going to be inspired by our sculpture outside and the words that we wrote. So, for example, we're going to clap out these 5 syllables, and this is our example. So I want you to clap with me and read them out, okay? Can you all see it? Read it fine. All right, 3, 2, 1. Birds voice their beauty as they are gliding over, touching the treetops. Very cool.
So,
Do you want this?
so can you guys connect, you know how we're just clapping the syllables out? Can you kind of connect that to anything that we were talking about outside in terms of the sculptures just now in our small groups? Okay, well, if you think about maybe rhythm, how does that relate to what we were talking about? What kind of rhythm?
You guys know this.
Well, I mean,
You can see it in your eyes. I know you know what's going on.
be brave. Yeah. So I mean, if we just think about it, when we clapped it out, we clapped out the syllables. We can hear those syllables, right? So that would be auditory rhythm, right? So like, birds voice their beauty. It's kind of like a song almost, like birds voice their beauty. You know, like in rap or that kind of stuff. But so that's what we're looking at here. And also, if we look at how many syllables are in each line, can you see anything that's repeating in those? Like not the particular lines, but the structure. It's like in the first line, there's 5 syllables. In the second line, there's a little bit more. There's 7.